Hello, good morning, my subscribers, my viewers. So today I want to show you something beautiful. I think you see all that green. It's kind of something like a small forest, but the most beautiful part of it is that inside that small forest there is a beautiful hotel inside. I think you see it's uphill. It's on a hill. Just have a look. What a beautiful view this morning. Look at all that green down there. Wow. I just landed on this morning. Look what is in there. And this place, I'm told this place is historical. There are very many things, very many tales about this place that we hear and we're not sure about. But anyway, we'll get another day to dig deep into all that. But for now, let's first have a look at what we have right now. Now this place right here, I'm told they're supposed to build a museum here, but then construction stopped underway. But right here, I think you can see this. See that? Yeah, so that place there was a statue. I think a statue of the person who was, I think, the founder or the owner of the whole of this place. And he's called Semei Kakungulu. Those who have heard of him. One of those people who established the colonial rule, the administrators or the collaborators. His statue was right there. And the museum was actually transferred from here to up. I think we shall reach there. Not sure about that, but let's keep moving and see. This is so cool. The weather is nice. Wow. This hill is so tiresome. So right here is the entrance, as you can see. Entrance to I think you can see the signpost indicating the road to the museum. Hope we'll make it there. We are on our way to the, but we won't get inside today. I think going in will be something for another day. I just want you to see the beautiful the beauty of nature this side, and the museum, as I promised, to show you its entrance. So I think we won't reach there because of the guards and so on. Going there will be an activity of another day, but I hope you can see that's the entrance to the museum. So for now, I think that's where we shall stop. I think you can see gaps inside the small bush, indicating that there may be certain things done inside there that I'm not sure of, but we shall dig deep into that another time. The sun is too much, but there is a beautiful view of one of the slopes of Mount Elgon right there, as you can see. So beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So next time we'll be going deep into this. Shalom for now.